On Thursday morning, the highest court in New York State overturned the 2020 felony sex crime conviction of former movie mogul Harvey Weinstein and ordered a new trial. Weinstein has been serving a 23-year sentence in New York on the basis of that conviction. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office told NPR it intends to retry the case. The New York State Court of Appeals found in a 4-3 decision that Weinstein had not received a fair trial, in part because the trial judge allowed testimony from women whose allegations were not part of the case. In all, more than 100 women made public allegations against Weinstein. On behalf of the appeals court majority, Judge Jenny Rivera wrote in part in the ruling, "We conclude that the trial court erroneously admitted testimony of uncharged, alleged prior sexual acts against persons other than the complainants of the underlying crimes because the testimony served no material non-propensity purpose. The only evidence against defendant Weinstein was the complainant's testimony, and the result of the court's rulings was to bolster their credibility and diminish defendant's character before the jury. Those women testified in court as Molina witnesses or prior bad act witnesses, which has been allowed in New York in certain situations going back to 1900. Critics and legal experts say that application of the Molina rule can be highly subjective and leaves verdicts more open to challenges. In a written statement to NPR Thursday, attorney Douglas Wigdor, who has represented 8 alleged Harvey Weinstein victims, including 2 of the Molina witnesses in the New York criminal trial, said, "Today's decision is a major step back in holding those accountable for acts of sexual violence. Courts routinely admit evidence of other uncharged acts where they assist juries in understanding issues concerning the intent, modus operandi, or scheme of the defendant. The jury was instructed on the relevance of this testimony, and overturning the verdict is tragic in that it will require the victims to endure yet another trial."